Hey beautiful people, today I am making Damsel Juice and I'm using the damsel fruit straight from my tree. Also, be sure to stick around until the end because there is a bonus treat here for you. First, make sure the damsel fruits are washed and cleaned. Next, add 4 cups of damsel fruit, 1 piece of cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, about 5 to 6 cloves, a piece of ginger, and 6 cups of water in a large pot. Boil for about 20 to 25 minutes, then strain. Set the damsel fruit aside because it will be used later in this video for the treat. Leave the liquid to cool, then add ½ cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and an additional cup of water. And just like that, you have created your very own tasty damsel juice. Pour your freshly made damsel juice in a glass over ice cubes, garnish with mint leaf, and it's ready to enjoy. Perfect for a hot day. Now let's move on to the hearty and savory damsel stew. Start by preparing the damsel fruit the same way as for the juice, but without water. The 4 cups of damsel fruit that were set aside earlier, place them back in the large pot along with the spices. Add 2½ cups sugar and around 3 drops of red food coloring. Stir occasionally to bring the stew to a boil. Once the syrup is created, leave the damsel to melt in the pot. Serve and enjoy when cool. This stew is rich, flavorful, and perfect as a snack. And there you have it, 2 amazing recipes using damsel fruit, a refreshing juice, and a savory stew. I hope you give these recipes a try and let me know how they turn out in the comments below. Also, if you're from a Caribbean island or a country that calls this fruit a different name, share it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tasty DIY adventure. See you soon!